more, what would I call it, uniforms every time I see you do it.
Yeah. I'm kind of doing my own spin on it a little bit as well. Oh.
Cracking.
So, yeah, diagonal there.
This one.
I'm not sure I like this bank line over the paracord. It's very thin.
It is thin, but it's strong.
Yeah, I'll give it that.
And it won't stretch at all.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing.
It'll split. So annoying.
Better. Still a bit of a wobble. We can knock it in the ground a bit because it's
Yeah.
a bit set, but I think made it worse. It's loosened up the other end now. I like the paracord. I can pull it tight more.
Yeah. They'll be coming from all around to get to the water, and there's such a big water source at the moment that you're like, well, could come from anywhere. So I've just picked like what looks like the busiest area and put it there.
Keeps going a bit.
But I don't think I'll have any problem with feeling cold tonight anyway.
Well, that's the hard work done for today, hopefully. We've pretty much finished the sawhorse. I've got a few adjustments to make when I get some more paracord, but fairly happy with it. And in the Lavvu tonight, as you can see, I'm cooking a stir fry a bit later on for us. We're going to crack open a beer shortly. We'll crack open a beer shortly and just relax really. We're going to do a little bit of catapult practice again, but I don't know if you want to see that because it's the same old, we'll see. But yeah, hopefully it'll be a nice relaxing night. So first beer of the night, which is Roaster Coaster it's called, Nitro Imperial Vietnamese Coffee Stout, made by Brewdog versus Evil Twin. And
it's a stout as well.
It's 9%. We're sharing that one because we're going to be shooting a catapult later.
Yeah, start as we move to go on.
And we're not eating yet either.
No.
So I think I get that cheese on in a minute.
Oh, that is a stout, isn't it? Thanks, mate. Beautiful.
There you go.
What's it a drive-by? Oh, it smells lovely, actually. Guinness.
Oops, sorry.
Thank you. You alright?
I'm going to shoot that in a minute.
Yeah, shit. Oh, it's really sweet.
You can taste the coffee in it as well, can't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Oh.
And it doesn't taste strong like a 9% beer sometimes does.
No, it just tastes sweet. Oh, it's got a bit of a hit actually afterwards.
Yeah, it's got that slight tang in the
Yeah.
back of the throat, but yeah.
Ooh. Almost like you're drinking like a spirit or something. It's like got that, you know, spirit obviously hits you a lot more and you go, but this has got that slight twang at the end.
Yeah, it's a good starting one. That smoke's rolling around a bit, isn't it?
That's because some plonk can put the front up.
Corn sausage.
Right, that's a big sausage you have there. Chili, coriander, nutmeg. Rosemary, yeah, it's a similar kind of thing. Yeah, I'm not doing the cutting for you because you whinged at Ash for doing it wrong. So.
Keep him on his toes. Yeah. He gets complacent with all his subs.
Better edit that.
I'm leaving that in.
Yeah, leave that one in.
I'm cheating slightly. Pre-prepared veg. Or a lot. Sorry?
Or a lot.
Yeah.
If you need any more sausages, Joe.
It's a lot of veg, but that all...
Yeah, there is. Oh, that'll shrink down.
Yeah.
Right? It's all wet, I guess. It'll sweat down.
What I want to do is get some of that sausage mixed through it, because otherwise...
You just have the sausage burning at the bottom.
Yeah.
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 Like,
I went mild for you.
oh, thanks very much. What are you trying to say?
After that chilli last time.
After that casserole, I just couldn't handle it. Apparently it's not casserole.
Do apologise, but...
In my face and everything. Honestly, that's where we're going to be, isn't it?
Set the tone for the evening.
You're going to have to cut that.
No, no chance. That's staying in.
Oh, God. Go in the sauce.
Don't stab my hand.
Not hot sauce, no?
Nope.
Not casserole sort of sauce. What it smells like?
he's set. Oh, that's boiling away nicely. What's that? Oh, look at that. Just went straight in.
Easy.
I came
Cool,
round.
have you just made that out of tin foil then?
No, it's the stuff you put behind radiators.
Oh, cool.
Um,
No, no. Putting up there.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
keep it all warm for that. Keep that actually a couple of hours. That'll stay warm for.
Really?
Yeah, it's really good.
That's a brilliant idea. Did you just curve it to it, mould it?
Yeah, I used tape around here, so you cut a disc for the top, and then a side piece, and some for the bottom, and then you just put the insulating tape.
Okay.
Both sides, and then mould it on.
Cool.
And it kind of lives in there the whole time, even in a bag.
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Sits in it.
It's really handy if it really works out well as well. Brilliant. How are your old man knees?
Knackered.
Says I when I've sat on this chair all night.
So my
What happened there?
my ankle clicks going down the stairs. My knees click going up, and it sounds like something out of West Side Story.
Flick the boiling water on your nuts.
Content. Right. I think what I'll do, I thought I pulled the water out, but obviously I hadn't.
You've got a straining thing on top of that, haven't you?
Need it, but
Okay.
do you want to divide that up between two?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go, divided. There you go. That's all right. I've got a knife in my hand. It's just I didn't think I'd have to cut them.
Cut the noodles. I don't know if you can see that. No. Camp stir fry.
By lantern light. So romantic. Oh yeah. Definitely those sausages are lush.
Mmm.
That helps. It's nice, isn't it? Therapeutic.
Yeah, definitely. Knowing you're dry underneath is.
Yeah, exactly. If I was out in it, maybe not so much.